Good morning students. Today in accountancy session we are going to continue with unit 3 accounts of partnership firm fundamentals. Students, now we are going to start with interest on capital. What is interest on capital? I have already told you students, interest on capital is provided by the firm to the partners for the capital contributed by the partners. Once again I repeat, interest on capital is provided by the firm to the partners. Okay students, so interest on capital is interest allowed on partners capital. Okay, so partner is providing capital and that is why the firm is giving interest to the partners. What about the rate of interest? The rate of interest will be decided by the partners or as per partnership agreement. In the partnership agreement, if rate of interest is mentioned, accordingly the partners will charge the interest. Suppose if the firm interest on capital will be allowed if it is not mentioned in the agreement. You got me students? Suppose if the agreement is silent, it does not mention anything about interest on capital, then no interest on capital will be allowed. Okay students, to the partners. Okay, suppose if the firm incurs loss, so if there is profit only, the firm can give interest to the want to take the capital of the partners, and then if the rate is given into that rate percentage and number of periods, that means maybe for 3 months, 6 months, or how many months it is given, or maybe for even 1 year. So accordingly the interest must be calculated. You got me students? Okay, now you can see another one calculation. What is that? If opening capital is not given, okay, interest on capital will be calculated on the opening capital of the partners. Suppose if the opening capital is not given, then you have to follow this procedure. Okay, you want to take the closing capital at the end of the business, then you want to add the drawings. Why are you adding the drawings? The drawings would have decreased the capital. Okay, so to bring it to the original amount, we are adding the drawings. You got me students? And then you want to subtract the profit that is credited during the year. Why we are subtracting the profit? Because profit would have increased the capital. So reverse calculation we are doing. We are subtracting the profit, and then additional capital also we want to subtract. Why we are subtracting the additional capital? Even additional capital would have increased the capital, isn't it? So we are subtracting the additional capital. So when we do this calculation, finally we get the original capital, that is capital at the beginning. After finding the capital at the beginning, we have to apply this formula and calculate interest on capital. Students, now we are going to work out exercise 5. The question goes like this, you see. Profit sharing ratio of Mannan and Ramesh is 3:2. That means what? There are two partners, Mannan and Ramesh. Okay. In the profit, Mannan is getting a share of 3/5. 3:2 means what? Total this 3 plus 2, 5. So out of 5 part, Mannan is getting 3 parts. And out of 5 part, Ramesh is getting 2 parts. Okay students, so this is how you have to understand. Okay, now you see capital on 1/4/2018 is given. That means partners first உள்ள business start பண்ணும்போது மன்னன் எவ்வளோ கொடுக்குறாங்க? 1,50,000 கொடுக்குறாங்க. ரமேஷ் எவ்வளோ கொடுக்குறாங்க? 1 lakh கொண்டு வராங்க பிஸ்னஸ்குள்ளே. ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட்டு அவங்களோட கரண்ட் அக்கௌண்ட் மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுறாங்க. அந்த கரண்ட் அக்கௌண்ட்டில் கிரெடிட் பேலன்ஸ் காட்டுது. மன்னனுக்கு 25,000 காட்டுது, ரமேஷ்க்கு வந்து 20,000 இருக்குது. ஸோ அவங்களோட கரண்ட் அக்கௌண்ட்டில் கிரெடிட் பேலன்ஸ் இவ்வளோ இருக்குது. இப்போது நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா, calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum. Okay, for which year we want to calculate? 31/3/2019 we have to calculate. Okay, now we'll see to the solution. Students, now you see here we have written the solution here. Calculation of interest on capital, I have applied the formula. What is the formula we have learned? Interest on capital is equal to amount of capital into rate per annum. Okay, into period. Period is not given, so we haven't taken that. Okay, now Mannan has contributed 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 into what is the rate of interest? 6/100. Okay students, Similarly, Ramesh has contributed rupees 1 lakh. In that 6% we have to provide interest and see. See, now the zeros will get cancelled like this. Okay, so what is the amount here? You get rupees 9,000 will be the capital for Manan. Now coming to Ramesh, the amount will be 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So the amount here will be 6,000. Hope you understood this, children. Now we have to pass the journal entries. See the journal entries, children. So you want to write the format, date, particulars, debit, credit. Our first journal entry is what? We are providing interest on capital. Okay, students, already we have done the calculation. Now the journal entry is interest on capital account debited to Manan's capital account to Ramesh capital account. You got me, students? Now what is the amount that is credited to Manan's capital account? That was 9,000 rupees, isn't it not? So I am writing here 9,000 rupees. Amount credited to Ramesh capital account was 6,000 rupees, isn't it not? Okay, 6,000 rupees. So the total will be 15,000 rupees. Now this 15,000 rupees we have to transfer to profit and loss appropriation account because it is expense for the business. So profit and loss account must be debited. You got me, students? So here we are going to write the amount as 15,000 and it is transferred and closed. Hope you understood this, children. Students, now we are going to work out exercise 6. The question goes like this. There are two partners, Prakash and Surya. They share profit and loss in the ratio of 5:3, which means what? Totally there is 8 parts. In that 8 parts, Prakash share is 5 and Surya's share is 3. Okay, students. Now see the date. On 1/4/2018, what's happening? Their capital account shows. Okay, in their capital, Prakash is having 3 lakhs and Supriya is having 2 lakhs. On 1/7/2018, Prakash introduced additional capital of rupees 60,000. You got me, students? It is not like previous sum. Here you have to do some calculation. Okay. During the year, Supriya introduced rupees 30,000. So that means, what is the point here? There is additional capital. Okay. So originally there is one capital and then in the middle of the year both of them are introducing capital. We want to calculate what? Interest on capital, and then we want to show the journal entries. Students, exercise 6 solution. Now see here, interest on Prakash capital we are going to calculate. That means first we are going to calculate partner Prakash capital. Okay, students, what is given in the question? Partner Prakash capital on 1/4/2018 is rupees 3 lakhs. Okay, keep in mind. Now what Prakash is doing? He is introducing additional capital. When he is introducing additional capital? Only in the month of July. How much he is introducing? 60,000. அப்படின்னா என்ன? 4th monthலேருந்து 7th month வரைக்கும் கேபிட்டல் 3 lakhஸாக தான் இருக்குது. ஓகே, 7th month ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் 60,000 அவன் அடிஷ்னல் கேபிட்டல் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ண உடனே அவனுக்கு கேபிட்டல் என்ன ஆகும்? இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆயிரும். Keep this in mind, children. See the calculation now. From 1/4/2018 to 36 அப்படின்னா ஜூலை 1க்கு முன்னாடி நாள் 36, 30 June. How many months? April, May, June. So there is only 3 months. Only for this 3 months his capital is rupees 3 lakhs. So I have calculated for 3 months on rupees 3 lakhs. Okay, students, the rate is 6%. How many months he is having this capital? 3 months. So out of 12, 3 months we want to calculate. Okay, so here the answer will be 3 lakhs into 6/100 into 3/12. So you get an answer of rupees 4,500 when you do the calculation. Okay, students. Next you see July 1/7/2018, the amount is changing to 3,60,000 because there is already a capital of 3 lakhs. Now 60,000 additional capital is introduced, so total it becomes 3,60,000 from 1/7/2018. Okay, இப்போ ஜூலைலேருந்து அந்த வருஷம் முடிகிற வரைக்கும் மார்ச் வரைக்கும் எத்தனை மாதம் இருக்குது? ஜூலை டு மார்ச் 9 months. இந்த 9 monthsக்கு பிரகாஷோட கேபிட்டல் வந்து 3,60,000 ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்போ 3,60,000க்கு 6% per annum. How many months this capital is there? 9 months. So 9 monthக்கு எவ்வளோன்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். Okay students, so you get an answer of 16,200. Now both the interest we want to find for a year, isn't it? So both the interest when you add you get rupees 20,700. So this is a total interest on capital for Prakash. Hope you understood this. Students, now we are going to calculate interest on Supriya's capital. You got me students? Okay. So Supriya introduced capital on 1/4/2018, that is opening capital. You got me? Supriya is having a capital of 2 lakhs. Next, what Supriya is doing, she is introducing additional capital during the year is given. Note this point. No date is given, but it is given during the year. What is the amount? Rupees 30,000. Now let us see how the calculation is done. See, listen carefully. 2 lakh is the opening capital. So this 2 lakh continues to be 2 lakh for 12 months also. Okay students, so on 2 lakhs 6% rate of interest. Okay, month we are not calculating because it is 12 months. 12 by 12 what you get? 1 only, isn't it? The value will be 1. So we are not using that period calculation. We are using only the amount into rate. Okay, so here the amount comes to 2 lakh into 6 by 100, it is rupees 12,000. Next you see, additional capital was introduced during the year, I told you, isn't it not? So when it is during the year, you have to apply one formula. You want to calculate it for 6 months. Okay, that is half of the period you have to take. So this is a rule. So now you have to calculate on 30,000. What is the rate? 6%. How many months? 6 months you want to calculate. So 30,000 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12. So you get here 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. So 300 into 3, you get an amount of rupees 900 rupees. So the total interest will come to 12,900. This is the interest on capital for Supriya. Hope you understood this sum. Good morning students. Today in accountancy we are going to continue with problems of accounts of partnership firm. We are going to continue with exercise 7 children. The question goes like this. Capital of Begum and Fatima on 1/1/2018, rupees 50,000 and rupees 40,000. That means capital of Begum is 50,000 and capital of Fatima is 40,000. Next point says Begum introduced additional capital on 1/10/2018, that is rupees 10,000. Similarly, Fatima is introducing additional capital on 1/5/2018, that is rupees 9,000. You want to calculate interest on capital at 4% per annum for 31/12/2018. Students, here is a solution for exercise 7. First we have to calculate interest on capital for Begum. Capital on 1/1/2018 is 50,000. Begum is introducing additional capital in the month of October, 10,000 rupees. Okay students, so from January till 39, that is 30th September, the capital amount is 50,000. So we want to calculate interest for 50,000. Next, on 1/10/2018, 10,000 is introduced. Now from 1/10 onwards, the capital amount will become 50,000 plus 10,000, 60,000. So for 60,000 we are calculating the interest. Hope you are able to understand. See, I have put the date here from 1/1/2018 to 39/18. You want to write the formula: 50,000, rate 4%, then how many months from January till September, that is 30th, last day, it is 9 months. I have done the calculation here, children. You get 1,500. Next, from October, that is 1/10/2018, the year ending is, you are asked to calculate till December, that is 2018. So October, November, December, 3 months period here. What will be the amount? You must be careful in calculating the amount. Old amount 50,000 plus additional capital 10,000 will give you 60,000. On the 60,000, 4% rate, how many period, how many months? That is 3 months. Okay, so I have done the calculation here. You get an amount of 600. Therefore, for Begum, the total interest is 2,100. Students, next we are going to calculate interest for Fatima. So Fatima's capital is on 1/1/2018 is 40,000. Fatima has introduced additional capital from 1/5/2018, that is 9,000. So first what we want to do, we want to calculate from January to month of May for rupees 40,000. Okay students, that is what done here. See, I have taken 40,000 rupees into rate percentage into period, that is for 4 months, January till April, because after April, on 1st May, she has introduced 9,000 and the amount will change. So till 30th April only, the amount is 40,000. Okay students, so on calculation you get rupees 533. Next, from May month onwards till 31st December you want to take. You got me students? So what will be the amount? 40,000 plus 9,000, you get here 49,000. That 49,000 into rate into period, that is remaining months from May till December. You have 8 months. Okay children, so on calculation of this you get 1,307. So you want to total both the amount, interest amount, you will get 1,839 is the total interest on capital for Fatima. Hope you understood this sum.